Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can check your RCBC bank account number. So basically RCBC is a trusted partner bank in the Philippines. First of all, if you want to check your RCBC bank account number, so here's the easiest ways that you can do it. First of all, you have to check your physical documents, and if you have access to your physical documents, then you can just look at your passbook or account opening documents, and you have to check your checkbook, review your monthly bank statements. And the second option is that I'm going to show you right now, which one is that you have to use RCBC online banking. You have to go to rcbc.com. This is their official website, and if you are enrolled in RCBC online banking, you can easily check it out by simply at the top right corner you can see this login option. Just simply log in using your personal informations. Your account number will be visible on the dashboard or under account. Okay, and if you can't enroll it, just search RCBC online banking on your browser and then click enroll now and follow the steps. Like just search for RCBC bank enroll and just then follow this first link, and you will be redirected to login phrase. And lastly, if you are still facing any problem, then you can contact RCBC customer service and they will help you. So that was it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments.